Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon. Did you all complete the notes?
Yes.
You all write the notes neatly in your literature notebook?
Yes.
Please don't write in your textbook, okay? Don't write the question answers or meanings in the textbook. You have to write all those notes in a separate notebook. I have told this in the beginning itself. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Did you all write and study the words? You all write and study the words, dictation words?
Yes.
Shall I take a quick dictation? Yes, just 5 words. Okay, so get ready. Please get ready.
Compound. Huh? We want to write in rough book?
Yes, rough book.
Ma'am, first one.
Wait. Okay, all of you, please get ready with your rough book. Please be ready with your rough book. Here is the first word for you. Please write today's date. What is today's date?
13.
Yes. Dictation. 13:7. Okay. So, here is the first word. First word is slyly. 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 The boy slyly watched his mother at work. Slyly.
Finish.
Second word is shadow. Shadow. Mother walked to the shadow of the champa tree. Shadow. Okay. The third word fling. Fling. Fling the wee little shadow onto the page of the Ramayana. Fling.
Finish.
The fourth word is scent. Scent of the champa flower. Mother noticed the scent of the champa flower.
Finish.
So we completed 4 words, and here is the 5th word. It's naughty. Where were you? You naughty child. Naughty. Please check the words once again. Check whether you have written all these 5 words. First one, slyly. Second word, shadow. Third word, fling. Fourth word, scent. And 5th word, naughty. Okay. Now, you have to check the answers. So, as we did in the last class, please check your own answers, letter by letter. Only if all the letters in the word is right, it's supposed to be a right word. Otherwise, it's wrong and you have to write and study the word. Okay. So the first word, look at the spelling. Wait. I will ask someone to give me the spelling. Ihan, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes. Please give me the spelling of slyly.
S-L-Y-S-Y. L-Y.
S-L-Y-L-Y. Slyly. All of you, please check your spellings. Very good. Rebecca.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Rebecca. Yes, the second word, shadow.
S-H-A-D-O-W.
Very good. S-H-A-D-O-W. Very good. That's also correct answer. Now, Jyoti Lakshmi. Jyoti Lakshmi, please unmute and give me the spelling of the third word, that is fling. Fling. Give me the spelling. Third word. What is the? Haven't you written it? I just gave 3 dictation words.
F-L-I-N-G.
F-L-I-N-G. Fling. Okay. That's correct. Next. Bhagyashri. Bhagyashri, please unmute. Who's Bhagyashri here?
Eva.
Okay. Okay, fine. Give me the spelling of the word scent. Niranjan. Sit properly, Niranjan.
S-C-E-N-T.
E-N-T, scent. And the fifth word, the last word, Arshika, please unmute. Give me the spelling of the word naughty. Naughty. Speak through your microphone. I can't hear you. Speak through the microphone, Arshika.
N-O-T-Y.
Oh God,
N-O-T-Y.
that is wrong. I hope all others heard it. Is it the right answer? No. Netik, please unmute. Netik will give me the spelling of the word naughty. Wait. Netik, please unmute. Unmute. Yes. Give me the spelling of the word naughty.
N-A-U.
Then. N-A-U.
No.
Ah.
A-L-G.
G-H.
T.
Y.
Y.
Yes, very good. Naughty. So slyly, S-L-Y-L-Y. Shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W. Fling, F-L-I-N-G. Scent, S-C-E-N-T. And naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Okay. So I hope all of you have checked the spellings of the words that you have written. And how many of you got 5 on 5? How many of you got 5 on 5? Very good. I didn't. Then who else? Please give me an honest answer, okay? You should be truthful. Don't be dishonest. Don't say lie. You have to tell me if you have got all the words right. Please raise your hands. I didn't. Sojan got all the words right. Then who? Arshika. Rebecca. Very good. Rebecca, Jonath. Then who else got full 5 on 5? Anika, Ihan. Okay. Okay, very good. So children, as I said, the spellings are very, very important. Okay, whenever you write and study, each and every word should be correctly spelled. Otherwise, you will be losing marks. Vaishnav Shine also got full marks. Very good, Vaishnav. Congratulations. So, congratulations to all those who scored all the 5 marks. 5 on 5. Very good. Jonath is showing me the book. Very good. Wonderful, wonderful, Jonath. Jyoti Lakshmi also got. Wow, that's great. So, keep it up. Others who have made 1 or 2 mistakes, Parvan also got it. Catherine, who is this? Catherine. Yes, very good. So, please make sure that next time you try to score full. All the spellings. Karthik, did you get full marks? 5 on 5. Anika is showing me the book. Very good, Anika. That's great. Okay. Now, going back to the lesson. I had sent 2 question answers 2 questions. Did I send you the complete notes? 1 second. Shanti. How many question answers did you complete in the notebook, children? 2 question answers, right?
And
So-
meanings.
2 meanings. Not 2 meanings, 3 meanings. So after that I had
only 2 meanings.
because now all the 5 meanings are given, right? First I give 3 meanings, then after that 2 meanings. Okay. Have you all studied? Let me ask how many of you have studied the meanings at least. So what is the meaning of the word budded? What is the meaning of the word budded? Newly flowered. Newly flowered. Very good. What is the meaning of the word slyly? Secretly. Very good. Then fling. 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 Something across. Okay, something across. Quite. Almost. And we. Very
small.
Okay,
Very
fine.
small.
That's great. Tiny also is correct. Tiny or very small. Okay. And my next question. Who is making that noise? Who is unmuting? Mridul V. Jijesh. Mridul V. Jijesh, who is this? Okay. Now, children, the third question in this book is, in the literature comprehension, what would the child do when the mother read the Ramayana? Who can give me the answer? Arthur Martin. Okay. Arthur Martin, give me the answer. What would the child do when the mother reads the Ramayana?
The child would drop onto the earth again.
No, that is not the answer. That is not the answer. Anybody else? Anyone else? Parvana? Yes, Meenakshi. Yes, Meenakshi, give me the answer. What would the child do when the mother read the Ramayana sitting at the window side?
The child would fling his wee little shadow on the page of Ramayana.
Where
His mother
was reading. Exactly. Very good. So the child would throw his fling his wee little shadow onto the page of the Ramayana where the mother was reading. And what would the child do when the mother went to the cow shed? What would the child do when the mother goes to the cow shed? Yes, Aidin. Aidin, give me the answer.
When the mother went to the cow shed,
yes,
child suddenly drop onto earth again
and ask her to tell him a story. Actually, yes. The boy would suddenly drop onto the earth again and ask his mother to tell him a story. Okay, fine. Okay, children. See, next I'm going to show you the pictures of some flowers. You have to identify. Can anyone identify this flower? Which is this flower? Anyone? No, this is not champa flower. This is not champa flower. Look at the flower. Yes. Those who know it, you can unmute. Lily, exactly. Yes. Lily flower. Okay, fine. Then it's lily. I'll show you one more.
Ma'am, lotus. Lily, ma'am.
Lily.
I know. I want to show you another flower. 1 second. Can you see another set of flowers?
No.
No. Wait.
Can see. No. I cannot see.
Ma'am, but I cannot see.
Now check.
Marigold.
Marigold. Exactly. Marigold. Yes. Marigold.
Marigold.
Okay.
Ma'am, marigold.
Yeah, I got it.
Marigold.
Don't keep on telling the same thing I heard. It's marigold. What about this? Can you see? Can you see?
No.
Which is this one? Wait.
See the ball.
Now check. Can you see?
No. Yes.
Rose. Rose.
Who said that? Tulips. Tulips. Exactly. It's tulips. These flowers are tulips. Very good. Now, I'm going to write a few words here. You have to identify the word. Okay. See, children, I'm going to jumble some words. You saw, now you have come across a lot of flowers. Now itself, I showed you the picture of tulip, sunflower, marigold, then lily, and you already saw champa flower, right? I'm going to write some words, some jumbled words, which you have to identify. All these words are the names of flowers. Okay, so you have to identify it. The first word. Okay, who can identify this? What is this? And you have to tell me the correct spelling.
Lily.
This word. Yes, what is the spelling? What is the spelling?
Lily.
Very good. Lily. Very good. That is the correct spelling. Next one. Sore. Now who can give me the answer of this?
Rose.
Wait. Same person is giving me the answer? Huh? That shows that she knows it very well. But yes, Parvana, what is that? What is that flower? Arthur, wait. Arthur, wait.
Rose.
Spelling?
R-O-S-E.
R-O-S-E. Very good. Next. Third is T-O-U-S-L. Who can give me the answer of this? Joshua? Yes, Joshua. Which is this flower? You have to just jumble it, okay? That unscramble it. Give me the spelling. Give me the spelling. L-O-T-U-S. Very good. Lotus. Then A-A-C-M-H-P.
Chamba.
Wait. Even if I'm muting you, some of them are able to speak. I don't know how. Vaishnav? Vaishnav, can you tell me which is this flower?
Chamba flower.
Okay, champa. Give me the spelling of champa.
C-H.
C-H.
M.
Champa. Look at the letters. C-H-A-M-P.
P-A-A.
No, only one A. See,
A.
one A comes here after H. The second A comes after P. Okay, so champa. Champa. Okay. Then next is L-U-T-I-P. Can give me the answer of this?
Arthur.
Arthur, wait. Arthur, how are you able to unmute? I had muted all of you. Huh? How are you able to unmute yourself? Okay. Deva, give me the answer of this. L-U-T-I-P. Please unmute. Jonath, next question I'll ask you. Okay.
Tulips.
Very good. What is the spelling?
T
T
U
U
L
L.
P
So what about this I here? T.
I
Yes,
I.
I-P, tulip. When you unscramble the words, you have to make sure that all the letters are included. You should not leave out any letters. Okay, so that's done. Next, M-G-A-O-R-L-I-D. Who can give me the answer of this one? Who can give me the answer of this one? Yes, Jonath. Jonath, give me the answer. What is this flower?
M-A-R-I-G-O
G-O-L-D. And how do you read this?
Marigold.
Marigold. The picture I had shown you already, right? And the last one is F-S-O-R-W-I-W-L-N-E. Okay. Who can give me the answer for this? Steny. Steny, wait. Who can identify this flower? Which is this flower? Sanvia? Sanvia or Anika? Yes, Janisa. Yes, Janisa, tell me. Which is this flower?
Sunflower.
Exactly. Give me the spelling.
S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R.
My God, very fast. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. So children, this exercise is on page number 17 of your textbook. All of you take page number 17. Did you see that? Yes. All of you take page number 17.
Amma.
17, yes. 17, on page number 17, you can see this exercise. So, the pictures of the flowers are given on the top. You have to just unscramble. You have to just unscramble the words and write the correct spelling of all the 6 flowers. Okay? Is that clear to all of you? Please do it as a homework. Please do it as a homework. Okay. Now, we'll discuss 2 value-based questions. Sunflower, a lot of entries came, like answers. Very good. Now, listen to the value-based question. In the poem, the child loves his mother and likes to play games with her. And we saw the game of hide and seek, right? The boy is playing the game of hide and seek with his mother on the top of the champa tree. Does this remind you of someone in your family with whom you share a close bond? How do you spend time together? So this is a question that you can write your own answer. Okay, you can think independently from your opinion. You can form your own answer. So the question is, you saw how the game of hide and seek is played between the mother and son. And after reading this poem, did you remember some of your family member, any of your family member with whom you share a very close bond? And how do you spend time together? Can anyone give me the answer in your own sentence? In your own words, can anyone? A special member in your family with whom? Yes, Parvana is ready to answer. Yes, Parvana, what is your answer?
With my mother.
With your mother, okay. And how do you spend time with her?
Saying something with her.
Like what games do you play? What game do you play with her?
No games. I will study with her.
Study with her. Okay, fine. Then anybody else? Anyone else? No. Just think. See, the question is there any special member in your family with whom you like to spend your time? Yes, Meenakshi. Meenakshi. Come on, tell me. What is your answer? Who is that special?
Brother.
With your
Brother.
brother. How do you spend time with your brother?
Brother, I will play with him.
What games do you play with your brother?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Wow, very good. Now, Ardhar, come on, tell me. Who is a special person in your family with whom you spend a very, good moments with? Any member. It can be your parents, your cousins, your grandparents, anyone in your family.
Ma'am, my uncle.
Uncle, okay. So, how do you spend time together?
Ma'am, he has a car. He'll take me to any ride.
Okay, they go for long rides in the car and enjoy together. Very good. Okay, so that's how, see, when such value-based questions are asked, you can think from your part and write your own answers. Okay, you need not write the same answer that I give. Think of times when you enjoy with the people you love. What do you do? What do you normally do with the people? How do you enjoy with the people who you love? How do you spend the time? Yes, Meenakshi. Meenakshi, please unmute.
Not me, ma'am.
Then, not Meenakshi, Anoop. Somebody else with that name. Anybody else? Anybody else? How do you normally, this is again a similar type of question. How do you spend time with your loved ones? What are the things, what are the different things that you do with your loved ones?
Ma'am.
At home? Yes.
Ma'am. Flower.
Who is that? See, you people can sit and watch TV together. Yes, Parvana. Again, Parvana.
Hearing stories.
Yes, listening to stories. Janisa. Janisa, how do you spend time?
Playing with sisters.
Playing with sisters, going for shopping, then watching movies together. So there are a lot of things through which you can spend your time with your loved ones. So that's all for today, children. It's time for us to wind up today's class. So please do the exercise. Please do the exercise. Yes, wait. Okay, children. So please do the exercise and make sure that you complete the notes. Okay. Thank you for today. Bye. Bye.